Are you gonna sing? So si Mami Rachel tsaka si Lenz magkalapit lang yung birthday nila. And yung request ng boys, so mag-buffet daw kami sa Vikings. Actually sa aming lahat pinakamalakas nang kumain itong dalawang boys, si Lenz tsaka si Light. Kaya yan, punta kami sa Vikings, SM North EDSA. Iris, can you hug Mommy? Hug Mommy? Yay! Aww. Go eat! I'll take a video of you eating.
Dada, Milo.
Lift your pizza.
Dada, Milo. Hindi ko pala yung
Like it? Are you eating, Iris? Usually, pag pumunta kami ni Rachel sa buffet, pumunta kami muna dun sa Japanese food. Kasi favorite namin yung mga Japanese dish. Sabi yan, nabubulol ako. Pero yun, usually yung kinakain namin yung mga sashimi, sushi. So, sulit na sulit siya sa amin. Is that strawberry ice cream? You like it? Can you try one? It's a strawberry ice cream. You love strawberry?
Do you like jackfruit?
Go, try it. Oh, there. Try one lang, try one. Happy birthday, Mommy! Happy birthday, Kuya Len!
Anak, ganito oh. Anak, ganito oh. Oh, squeeze into the spoon. It's so hard.
Whoa! It's very soft. It's hot pa. Yummy, Mommy? Super? Wow, Kuya is 9 years old na. Happy birthday! Happy 9th birthday! You're getting older! You feel like you're an adult na? Are you an adult na? Or still a kid? Okay, come on. Let's get you some ice cream. Anong pinapa... Oh! Let's get cake for you. Go!
Parang feeling ko pang ano, dapat ay pang-apat na tao or 5. Ginawa tayo ano.
You like it?